Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Forgive my voice, I'm recovering from this terrible cough. But anyways, I recorded this look that I did for a photo shoot. So this is me getting ready for the photo shoot, and it was supposed to be for my birthday, which passed like a week ago. So happy birthday to me. But my birthday went by a week ago. Well, when this video comes out, it's going to be probably 2 weeks later. But I was supposed to do the photo shoot before my birthday, but things happened. Pretty Little Thing messed me up, which I'm glad they did, because they made me check through my wardrobe and find things that I haven't worn, I've never worn, or things that I haven't worn in a long time. Anyways, so yeah, this is the look for the photo shoot. Something sultry, smoky, you know what I'm saying? Add me up on Instagram and Snapchat to see the pictures, because they won't be here. But add me up and see the pictures from the shoot. Oh my god, my voice is terrible right now. But anyways, this is the tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you do like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and let's get into the video. So starting with my face, I'm going to prime my face with my Makeup Forever smoothing primer and my Becca primer. I'm only putting the Becca mattifying primer in my T-zone, so my forehead, my nose, and my chin. Now I'm going to use my Fenty foundation in 470. I have been loving this foundation lately. I don't know, you can see that it's red for me, but listen, when this thing settles down, when it oxidizes and sits on my face, it is perfection, because it just makes the whole makeup look so flawless. So that's what I've been using a lot lately. Pretty much every makeup look. Yep, I look like a raccoon. But anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with a damp beauty blender, and you just want to make sure that you're blending the perimeters of your face very well as well. Don't worry, it will oxidize and look normal very soon. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. This is what I've been using to highlight my face lately, and I love it. I love it. I love it. And it kind of balances out the Fenty Beauty, because this one has a yellow undertone and the foundation has a red undertone. So by the time I blend everything out, it all comes together. So now I'm setting my face with my Espon translucent powder and my True Complexion Black Radiance True Complexion powder, and I have a little bit of Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium. I'm out of it, so I like mixing my setting powders, because if I'm not using either the medium or the Espon, is a little bit too light for me. So yeah, just want to make sure you press that into your face so that it doesn't, you're not necessarily baking, but it's kind of sitting there. Anyways, I'm now going to use my Morphe palette as per usual, my 35OM palette, taking those eyeshadows, and I'm contouring my face, and I'm just going to clean right underneath that contour to just kind of give it like a more chiseled look. You can use concealer there underneath there, but I just don't like doing that, so I just use setting powder. And I'm just taking all of that out. I don't really let it sit that long. And now I'm taking my Bare Minerals. I think this is a foundation powder, so you can use it as a foundation, but I just take a little bit of it and I just blend my entire face together. See what I say? That Fenty foundation is sitting, like, it just gives me like this flawless look. I don't even know how to explain it. Anyways, I'm just going to contour my face again, sorry, my nose with the brush I used to contour my face. I just pinch it and I just chisel out my nose. And I apply more contour because by the time I blend my entire face, the contour is sort of kind of lost in the midst of all that blending. And I just use my powder brush again to just blend it all together. Now onto the eyes. I'm using my P. Louise eyeshadow base. I believe this is the number 3. I can't remember, but I believe this is number 3. And I'm just applying that on my eyes. These days I've been loving doing my eyes after I've done my face. So I just smooth that over, going into my sleek blush palette. So yeah, that is a blush. So when you apply the P. Louise, you want to you don't want to first of all go in blending. You just want to dab the product on top of your eyes, because if you go in blending, you're gonna have strokes because the product is still a bit wet. You don't want to set the eyeshadow base, but you want to make sure that when you're applying the product on it, you're gently going in first before you can now see me blending. So yeah, I'm taking the orange blush to just blush it up, and I'm just going back and forth with both of them. So I'm taking my wet and no, sorry, not wet and wild, Maybelline. Oh, this is Maybelline. My Maybelline gel liner, and I'm just applying that as a base. My initial idea for this look was a smoky eyes, like just normal black smoky eyes, but you can see that the look is not a smoky eyes, and you'll see along the way how I just kind of switched that up. So I just used that eyeshadow to blend it out. It did not work, so I went into my Juvia's Place Saharan palette. I just take that black eyeshadow and I lightly place it on top of that black, and then I very lightly blend it out. You want to make sure you're light-handed with this at first, even if you go heavy-handed like eventually, but just start light-handed because it's very pigmented. So I'm just going back and just touching a bit of that black and just spreading it over, and I'm just going back and forth to blend with that my crease color. Now I'm just lining my eyes with my Wet n Wild liquid liner. So like I said, this was initially, the look was really just gonna be this, but then I was just like, it felt so flat, you know. So I'm going to line, I went ahead to do my brows. As you can see, I'm just lining my waterline with my NYX eyeliner that I've been loving lately, and I went ahead to smoke underneath that. First going in with that black eyeshadow, I'm smoking my lower lash line, and I'm going in with that orangish, I don't know what color that is, but from the Juvia's Place Saharan palette, and I'm just smoking out that black. So you just go back and forth, and I'm just sort of rounding my eyes to give like a rounded eye look. Then I went in with this color and I put that in the inner corners of my eye, so you can see how the difference that makes. Oh, I love putting highlighter in the inner corners of my eye. Even if I don't do any eyeshadow, I have to put highlighter in the inner corners of my eye and on my brow bone. It just gives this, you know. Anyway, so I brought that in, and then I was like, let me just apply, you know, some eyeshadow on my lid. So this color was speaking to me, and I love the fact that I did that, because it gave this eye look. It took it from like a 5 to like an 11, you know, on a scale of 10. I'm just kidding, but that's how I felt. I was just like, ooh, okay, you see. I was like, yep, it did that. So I just went back and forth and I blended them, and it just made it pop. And this eye look was not difficult at all, very simple, but it looks like, you know, I was like, okay, so this is how these people be doing. So I just take the highlighter from that sleek palette and I highlight my brow bone, and that's what I used to highlight my face as well. This in a brow bone highlight, that is the finishing touch to the look. Okay. So I'm just blending that out as well. So I'm just highlighting my face with that highlighter, like I said,
highlight, highlight, highlight. You all know I love looking golden. It is good for this melanin. Anyways, so I'm just highlighting my cheekbones, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow. You guys know the drill. Now I'm just blushing up my face with those blushes from the Sleek palette. Listen, this palette has become my best friend, okay? My best friend. It's perfect blush, perfect highlight. It's just amazing. And I've had this thing since 2014 or 13, I believe 14. So this palette has not even near close hit pan. Well, I didn't really use it that much, but yeah. So I just went ahead to apply some highlighter, recontour my face, just go back and forth to blend. And this is also my best friend lately, this Skindinavia setting spray, the bridal one. Oh honey, it just makes everything sit, okay? Everything sit. And you know I like to drench my face with setting spray because that just brings the look together. Anyways, I'm applying some mascara, my Maybelline mascara, and I'm just, you know, giving some definition to my eyelashes before I put some falsies. I love a lower lash line. Putting mascara on my lower lashes, I mean, just gives it another meaning to the look, you know. And now I'm applying my lips with my Wet n Wild brow pencil, the same one I use for my brows. And I'm just, sorry, did I say okay, I said lining. I thought I said highlighting my lips. Oh my gosh, I'm lining my lips. And now using another of my best friends, I have many best friends, my Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in sepia. I'm just relining that. I went ahead to apply MAC Vino on top of that liner just to make it a little bit more pinkish, so to say. And now using my NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Peanut Brittle. You guys know I love this. I love this. I love it. I love a nude lips. I love playing around with nudes, so you will see like different shades of nudes. I love doing that. Not that I don't like color on my lips. I used to love color on my lips, but boy, I love a nude lips. Okay, I love a perfect nude lip. Now applying my what you call this, AliExpress. You guys, I've been having people ask me a lot about this eyelashes. This is the one I've been wearing a lot lately. My $2 lashes. Okay, we are not finna spend on lashes. Lashes are meant to be cheap for cheap. And that is it, guys. This is the finished look. Oh, I love this look. I love it.
So this is the finished look, guys. Oh my gosh, forgive my voice. I decided to go with a very nude lipstick or whatever you want to call it. I wanted to go red, and actually I think I may change it up in the photo shoot and put up red in one of the pictures, but this is very doable. I was like, this will go with anything, so yeah. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And sorry my videos are not rolling out as often as I would want them to, or as I'm not making as many videos as I would want to, but bear with me. I'm still trying to still put out videos. Okay, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to leave and not exist. Bye guys, God bless you, and I love you.